me softly, Lauren or Kevorkian. Couldn't tell if she's cuckoo or corky when asked her her name and she said, call me 10. Testing, testing, things just got more interesting. She's resting, a vesting, double-breasted holster, a very western toaster. She ain't nothing kosher. She lets me closer, hotter than a pepper-crusted samosa. While I try to keep my